Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team and today we're going to be drawing an insect that flies. Any idea what that might be? It's red and got big black spots all over it. That's right, it's a ladybird. Let's draw one together. Alright, let's draw our ladybird. To start our ladybird, we're going to draw almost a circle, so follow like I'm doing. And almost draw a circle, but once you're at the top, leave a gap and just do a straight line to close that off, like that. Next, we're going to draw a big semicircle, connecting both corners where our straight line is. We're going to draw a smaller semicircle just at the top there, like that. A ladybird is a very simple shape. Next thing, we're going to draw a line down the middle here, and that's the separations between its two wings. Of course, we can't forget our ladybird's spots. I'm going to draw one here. I'm going to draw one here, and any spot you draw on one side, it has to be the identical on the other side. So I'm going to go in like this. I'm then going to draw a spot here. So I need another one here. I'm going to draw one here, which means I need another one here. And you can draw your spots on however you like, or however many you like. And then lastly, I'm going to draw our ladybird's legs like that. Just with 3 zigzaggy line if you like. So 1, 2, 3, and then a little V shape on the end. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, a little V shape on the end. Ready? 1, 2, 3, little V shape on the end. 2 more because our ladybird has 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, little V on the end. 1, 2, 3, little V on the end. There we go. We've got our ladybird. Let's colour her in. And there we go. We have our red ladybug. How many spots did you put on your ladybird? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. You can also head to diy.org to access fun, creative tools, watch courses on loads of subjects, and share your creations online with other like-minded kids. Thanks for watching. See you next time.